Alright, so this is Squeaker Lol, and this video is for my dispute against like ZZ Rapids or something. And I disputed because it was ridiculous. So every time I'd put them at one shot, all my bullets after that wouldn't register, and it was so bad that I disputed because like it's not like just like, oh, he hit my bullets. It's like, well, wow, he hit all my bullets, and the ones after that didn't even hit him. And then it says I didn't shoot in the final kill cam when I did. And those were bullets that didn't register, and it happened on my host and his host, but it was a lot worse on his host. And here's like the worst case, and like there are some that are just so equal to this. Like every single gunfight, like even after I needed him, all my bullets after he was already at one shot wouldn't hit him. And it was worse on Village because it happened more times, but it wasn't as worse. Like there's more times that this would happen, but it wasn't as worse. But this was by far the worst one. And here it is. I'm just gonna go back. I'm gonna try and count these hit markers. Let me just. That was. Okay, this is as slow as it can go. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7.
Let's see how that works.
That one should have killed him. Just one more time. Just one more time. Let me just one more time. Alright, and this is what gets me. It says I didn't even shoot any of those like last 5 bullets in the hit marker. And this is how ready it was. Let me slow down right there. Apparently those didn't hit, but okay. And there's obviously some lag going on or something. But there we go. Apparently it took that long to put him at one shot. And it says that you only got hit like 3 times, but I got like 10 hit markers. And that was worse than that. And that was even like the final round either. Like that's what got me. Like I don't know. And here's what he said. I told him that's why I disputed. I didn't dispute because like I was mad. I disputed because I didn't understand how that works. Like if you'd have beat me beat me without that happening, I would have gave him the win. But he said this, and then he's like, and yeah. I'm not asking for the win. I think the match should be canceled. I'll replay it if that's possible. I don't really care. Like on a neutral host, that was just retarded. Like that was just so ridiculous. Like if that wouldn't have happened, I would have easily got the win. But I hope that this has happened to someone else so that they know what I'm talking about. And I don't sound stupid, but that was crazy. So hopefully this will happen to someone else, because this is like the second time it's happened to me. The first time was like around Christmas or something, and it dubs. But hopefully this happened to someone else so they know what I'm talking about. Thanks. See ya. What?